Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Growtree Online Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss some points and numericals related to alligation method. So alligation method is a method which enables us to find the ratio or the quantity in which two or more mixtures of unequal strength are to be mixed to produce a single mixture of the desired strength. Suppose we have two mixtures, 1 and 2, and their strength are A% and B%. Now by combining these two mixtures, we have to make another mixture, that is the third one, with the concentration C%. So alligation method would help us to find that how much parts or how much quantity of A% and B% is required to make C% concentration solution. And here's a trick to solve the numericals related to alligation method, and that is first go diagonal and then go straight. So we are going to discuss some numericals in which this technique would be applicable. So here's a question which says how many ml of 50% weight by volume and 5% weight by volume dextrose solution is required to prepare 4500 ml of 10% weight by volume solution. Here we have two solutions. The first one is 50% weight by volume solution and the second one is 5% weight by volume solution, and the desired solution which you have to make is 10% weight by volume solution. So what would be the initial steps? First of all, we are going to write the solution with the higher concentration on the top, that is 50%, and the lower concentration solution at the bottom, and the desired concentration which we have to make, we will write that concentration in the middle section. So according to the trick, we will first go diagonal. So going diagonal for 50%, and by subtracting 50 and 10 we will get 40 here, and then going diagonal for the second value, that is 5%, and by subtracting these both values 5 and 10 we will get 5. Now we are done going diagonal. Now we have to go straight. So that means 5 parts of 50% solution and 40 parts of 5% solution are required. So now we have got the ratio, and now we have to calculate the quantities. So the total parts which we are having are 40 plus 5, that is 45. So we are going to use the unitary method for the calculation of the required volumes. So volume of 50% solution required would be 5 upon 45 into 4500 ml. So 5 is the parts of 50% solution which we have calculated here, and 45 is the total parts, and 4500 ml is the volume which we have to make. So after the calculation it will be 500 ml. So that means 500 ml of 50% weight by volume dextrose solution is required to make the desired concentration. Now in the same way we are going to calculate the volume of 5% solution which is required. So it would be 40 upon 45 into 4500. So this is after calculation 4000 ml. So that means 4000 ml of 5% weight by volume of dextrose solution is required. Now if you will add both of these values, that is 500 ml plus 4000 ml, you are going to get 4500 ml, and this is all we had to prepare. Now let's go towards the next question, which is similar to the previous one. So the question says what quantity of 95% volume by volume and 45% volume by volume alcohol are to be mixed to make 800 ml of 65% volume by volume alcohol. Here again we are going to keep the highest strength at the top and the lower at the bottom, and the desired concentration we are going to keep in the middle. So first we have to go diagonal for both the values and subtract both the values too. 95 minus 65 would be 30 and 65 minus 45 would be 20. Now we are done going diagonal, we have to go straight. That means 20 parts of 95% alcohol and 30 parts of 45% alcohol is required. Now by using unitary method again, we are going to calculate the volumes. So volume of 95% alcohol which is required is 20 upon 50. 50 is the total parts into 800 ml. So after the calculation it would be 320 ml. Now in the same way we are going to calculate the volume of 45% alcohol which is required. So it is 30 upon 50 into 800 ml, and after the calculation it would be 480 ml. And now when you are going to add both of these values, you are going to get 800 ml. So that means your answer is right. So the answer would be 320 ml of 95% alcohol and 480 ml of 45% alcohol is required to make up the desired concentration. Now let's move towards the other example, which is slightly different from the previous ones. So here we have a question which says, calculate the quantity each of 90% alcohol and 60% alcohol and 10% alcohol required to make 500 ml of 50% alcohol. Here we have three values and we are going to arrange them in the decreasing order. So first of all 90%, then 60%, and the another one 10%, and the desired one is 50%, so we are going to keep it in the middle. Now what is the first step? We have to go diagonal for all the values. So it would be 90 minus 50 would be 40, 50 minus 10 would be 40 again, and 60 minus 50 would be 10. Now we are done going diagonal, so we are going to go straight and calculate the parts. 40 parts of 90% alcohol, 10 parts of 60% alcohol, and 40 parts of 10% alcohol are required. Now we have to calculate the volumes in the same manner. So volume of 90% alcohol that is required would be 40 upon total parts, that is 90, into 500 ml, and after the calculation it would be 222.2 ml. Volume of 60% alcohol required is 10 upon 90 into 500 ml, and it would be 55.5 ml. And volume of 10% alcohol which is required is 40 upon 90 into 500 ml equals to 222.2 ml. Now after adding them all you will get 500 ml. That means that the answer is right. So the answer would be, final answer would be 222.2 ml of 90% alcohol is required, 55.5 ml of 60% alcohol is required, and 222.2 ml again is the volume of 10% alcohol which is required to make up 50% of 500 ml alcohol. So that's all about alligation method. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.
This video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also suggest us any topic of your choice by mentioning it in the comments.